We're here. Brand new Rustler 4x4 brushed. So these are the new four-wheel drive models with the LED lights pre-installed and 4 new body colors. So this is the first one we've got. That's why we're gonna unbox it, check it out, check the lights out, and kind of show you the differences. I mean, a lot of the differences are just gonna be purely aesthetic. So body and the new front and rear bumper with the LED lights. But let's check it out. So these are available 4 new colors, like I said. This is going to be the orange and blue. They also are available in green. And let's see here, what end? I got red as well. This one's hard to see. This one's probably the coolest new addition, a purple and pink model as well. So these brushed four-wheel drives will include the 2.4 gigahertz TQ transmitter. So these ones are sadly will not have the ability to put the TQI module in the back, the Bluetooth module, but awesome, still 2.4, no more antenna because it is molded into the handle, so you don't have to worry about ripping off the plastic antenna or anything like that. In the box, there is going to be, as per usual, the DC cigarette lighter style charger. So if you do want to buy something that you can actually adapt it into, plug it into a regular AC wall outlet, Traxxas does have their 4.8 or 5 amp adapter. They're like 36 bucks Canadian here. There also is going to be some shock preload clips. You're going to get your basic wheel wrench, 1.5 to 2.5 Allen keys. You are going to get in this white manual your exploded views, and you're also going to get your colored quick start guide as well. Everything else in the box is pretty much basic, some stickers, nothing really out of the ordinary for Traxxas there. But this is the moment of truth. Brand new Rustler 4-wheel drive. Okay. So it's typical Rustler. Bodies are the same. Comes with the clipless body mount design like all the other ones. Still tight and a pain in the butt to get off. But good tight fit body, which is really, really nice. So this is the new orange and blue. No metallics, no nothing like that. So pretty simple, all just standard primary colors. You get the wing, the roof skid, all of that stuff as per usual. Inner cage work, nothing really looks like it changed there. But this is the brand new Rustler 4-wheel drive brushed. So it still comes with your 3000 mAh 8.4 volt NIM, what we call the stick pack, because it has your extra 7th cell on the end instead of being the hump pack. So this is going to have the new long chassis, just like all of the other previous Rustler 4x4s had as of late. Going to have an antenna tube that gets locked into the chassis with a 1.5 mil Allen key grub screw. Then Traxxas always gives you a really long antenna and everything like that. So the one thing that does change is obviously new front bumper. You're gonna get 4 white LEDs in the front, and then the new rear bumper with actually a really cool looking double red LED taillight setup there. Everything else is gonna be pretty much the same. XL-5 with your Titan 12 turn, so 2S capable. Can't really do anything more than that without changing motor and speed control. Plastic center shaft like the other Rustlers had. You are still going to get the big heavy duty, extra heavy duty I guess, drive shafts like all the Rustlers did come with in the past. But the real moment of truth is, let's light this thing up and see how these lights are. So you got some double A's for the transmitter we'll toss in here quick. So I'm kind of excited with the lights. This is something Traxxas is doing in most of their brushed models, including some 2-wheel drives as well. The Bandit, the Slash, the Rustler, and the Stampede are all getting the same kind of treatment here. So always remember, radio on first, and then we can turn the truck on. There we go. So your 4 LEDs in the front, they're actually quite bright, do have a pretty good shine to them. And then your 2 reds in the back. So it looks like if you didn't want to run the lights or wanted to do some maintenance and needed to pull the bumpers off, Traxxas was nice enough to actually put them on a JST lead. So you can pull those JST connectors off. Like for example, now I unplugged the back LED lights, and you can unplug the front LED lights with just a quick pull of that JST connector. So doing maintenance and stuff is still a breeze. It looks like they do run the wires quite clean on the front anyway. They just lock in between the receiver box there and the chassis. The rear one, you could probably throw a zip tie in the shock tower and kind of lock it in a little bit more because it does kind of float around a little bit. It only gets locked in with the bottom motor mount bolt here that holds the two motor lead wires. So you can probably throw a zip tie in here, kind of lock it in a little bit better so it's not flopping around. Make it a little bit easier if you ever do want to change spur gear, check your mesh or anything like that. But yeah, that's the new Rustler 4x4 brushed with the LED lights. So they are gonna be pretty much the same price the other ones were. They're $459 Canadian plus taxes. And like I said, they're available in your 4 different colors. So green, orange, red, and pink. So pretty cool colors. Everything else looks to be exactly the same as the old Rustler 4x4s, and those ones have been discontinued. So the old red, the old blue, they're only gonna be available while supplies last. So if you do have a really big part supply or have a body for the old school cars, highly recommend picking one of those up before they're all gone. And the new body style is here. So thank you so much for watching. We really do appreciate it. Any comments, questions, toss them down below and we'll be happy to answer them. So have a great day and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.